Today, we're going to create a blazing 777 intro in Adobe After Effects to grab everyone's attention. Okay, let's start by opening Adobe After Effects and creating a new composition. Set your desired width, height, and frame rate for this intro. Let's aim for a good YouTube standard like 1920 by 1080 at 2997 frames per second. Set the duration to a short and snappy length, say 10 seconds, and click OK. Next, let's establish our base. Click Layer, then New, and then select Solid. Choose a vibrant color that will pop. I'm going with a bright pink, but feel free to choose your own. Click OK. Now grab the text tool and click on the comp, and type the number 7. We'll need 3 7s, so you can type as many as required here. Duplicate this text layer twice by simply right-clicking it and selecting Duplicate twice. Then, position each 7 to form the 777 shape with the selection tool, and adjust the size so they fit nicely. Let's add some effects now. Open the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window tab and click it to open it. Type Glow into the search bar. Then drag the glow effect onto the first 7 layer. In Effect Controls, adjust the glow radius and glow intensity to your desired effect. This is where you customize the look, for example, increasing radius to see a glow effect. Instead of applying glow to each, let's copy the effects on the first 7 and paste it to the other to play around with the color. Let's add animation so it's not static. Open the transform properties for each 7 layer. Add keyframes to the scale and rotation properties. For example, at the start of the clip, have the 7s scale to 0, then scale back. Also rotate the objects accordingly. Preview your intro. You can keep adding more effects, change colors, and add other elements. Feel free to play around with these and other effects like motion blur and more. And there you have it, a stunning 777 intro that's ready to bring your videos to life. Don't forget to experiment, have fun, and keep creating. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!